Hi, as part of our series on how to automate things with Baramundi, I want to show you this little trick here. It's called Let Me Click This For You, or Baramundi GUI Action Automation. So what it does, it actually allows you to record any kind of interaction with your desktop. Here, what you see is actually our automation studio. And in there, I can now launch any kind of process. In this case, I'll launch the Firefox preferences. And what I try to automate here is actually the process of clearing your browser cache to make that available to the end user on demand rather than me having to guide them through it. So I already have my Firefox options open here. And now I want to automate clicking through this so it will clear the cache. How do I do that? I'll use this GUI action piece here and go into record mode. And you see now I have a Windows analyzer running, and that checks everything I do with my mouse. It sees exactly where I'm positioned, and it doesn't do that just based on coordinates. It really does it based on the UI elements that are hidden inside. So it's also screen resolution independent. So in this case, I want to go to privacy first, and I say like, okay, I want to hit that button and record it as part of my script. So I'll do that. And you see it switched the content now. Now I go to the clear now option and say like, click this one, and it will open up the different cache options that you can clear out. So let's say we want to also clear the cookies. I'll do that. Hit that button again. And last but not least, I say clear the data now. Okay. So that's all done. To close this window so that it doesn't stay there when the user finishes the script, I have to now click OK. Okay. So the window is gone, and now I close my analyzer window, and it gets me back into my script where I started the same process here. And now you can see how it actually clicks the different buttons. What will that look like for the end user? You can actually debug here and say, run this sequence once. And I'm not clicking anything. Everything is done automatically now. And you see it repeats just the steps that I did. You can even run through in a single step debugging mode. So you can go and set the start position up here, and then you click through. So it will launch this, and you hear me clicking just once. So it goes step by step. Next step. So it clicks all the buttons the way I want it, and it closes the window again. So once you're happy with this, you can now take the script and send that out to the end user, which is kind of cumbersome because now you have to wait for them to call in, and then the end user can actually click this and it will execute. Or you can also make it available to your end users via our kiosk. So in the Baramundi kiosk, you could offer this for self-service. So they would actually open up the kiosk, see a script that says like Firefox cache reset, and when they click on it, they can assign it to themselves at any time. Okay, so it was successfully assigned. And you see it's already triggering here. And when I hit start now, you'll see the same process happening. It will open this settings, clear my settings, and I'm done. So that's a neat and easy way to automate things that might not be easy to automate, that have no registry keys that you can just easily check, or configuration files that you need to modify. So rather than doing all of that, just let us click through it for you, record it, and then make that available. Okay, thank you. So if you like what you saw and it spiked your interest, just come talk to us. Visit us at baramundi.com or send us an email to requestusa@baramundi.com, and we'll be happy to schedule a meeting with you and show you the full potential of the Baramundi Management Suite.